Welcome. So today I will discuss on Shopify. So SHOP shop. So what's going on in Shopify, guys? Are you fine? I'm not sure whether you're fine because the stock market is stumbling a bit. So I believe it will be okay. So now let's see what's going on in Shopify. So Shopify in 1 day trend, it is down by almost $4, $3.87, which is 3.54% down. It's a good decrease, big decrease for 1 day. What about 5 days? So in 5 days period, it is like in sideways, like it was in $108.07 to $105.34. There is nothing much. And 1 month shows it is a little bit down, like from $110.21 to $105.34. What about 6 months? So in 6 months, it is a little bit down as well, from $115.94 to $105.34. What about 1 year? In 1 year span, it rose up. So it rose from $66.52 to $105.34, which is like almost $39 increase, which is a big time increase. Huge gain it has given in 1 year period. What about 5 years? So in 5 years period, it is like in sideways. How is it in sideways? Like 5 years ago, it's not completely like sideways, a little bit higher. Like it was $88.10. Now it is $105.34, which is a bit up, but not a great deal of up for 5 years, right? Because only $17 up. So what happened in 5 year period? It went up till it hit $169.06, which is like big time increase, and then it went down towards like only $26.06. Can you imagine? 10/10/2022, that means October 10, 2022, it was only $26.06. Whoever could take that opportunity is very lucky that at that price that stock he or she could buy. So it was a great deal of luck for that investor, right? It went up to $105.34 in only about 2.5 years. It is great, right? Okay, what about its return analysis? So in 1 year span, it was really high. It went up 62.84% in 1 year, while S&P 500 gave on S&P TSX composite index, that went up only 22.15%. So it's a big time defeat to the index from Shopify. In 3 year, it is really high, 236.61% return. It is really high compared to the index. What about 5 years? In 5 years, it was not much. It was only 41.86%, while the index rose 73.72%. So if you analyze the trend of returns, it is giving good returns, not so bad. Like at least in the past 3 years period, right? It is doing good. Now let us go for a little bit of financial analysis. So Shopify's profit margin is good, 17.17%. Return on equity is good, 16.14%. EPS is not a bit high. It's not too much high. It's only 1.23. So EPS is a bit of concern. So what about P ratio? P ratio is high. Trailing P is 85.64, while forward P is 75.19. So P ratio is not really satisfactory, I would say. What about analyst price targets? Analyst price targets, like it is in average estimate $115.05, which should be like $10 higher from today's price. So a little bit undervalued according to analysts. And what I think is this stock is a defensive kind of stock. So this stock should go up constantly. It should not be it should not be kept in a stagnant position. It should go up, but it should go up slowly. It should not give you too much of a return. That's what I understand from my understanding about this stock. So thank you for watching. I hope you understood what to do with Shopify. I just try to help, but the decision is yours. You have to understand that it is stock market, anything can happen. So take your analysis, do a deep analysis, and then decide what to do. Do not trust anybody, but I am just trying to help you guys. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.